My apologies. I know it's been a while, so I gave you all an update on the 84 Chevette demolition derby car. Not had a lot of time to work on it. Got the smog pump took off today. All that crap out of the way. Rerouted some things. Got the redneck header done. Just flipped the exhaust manifold. Cut one of the ears off so it would make room for the spark plug. Again, not all the bolt holes line up. Then again, it's a derby car. Doesn't really matter. So. Just got the bumper sitting on there. Still need to trim the ends off of it and actually weld it on. I got it flipped upside down right now. I'm not sure if I'll run it that way or not. Open the hood here. All the smog pump crap, I don't know if you can tell that was down there, it's all gone now. Still got to get a belt. Gave quite a bit of room over here on this side once I cleaned everything out. Right there in the front is where I cut the ear off. Still got to relocate my battery and all that. But yeah, there it is. See if we can fire it up for you here and let you hear it run for a second. Find somewhere to prop my camera up. And there you go. Hopefully, next time I do an update, I'll have the bars welded in, battery and everything relocated. Maybe I'll get some more time in the next few days. Thank you all for watching.